What's this? This is not creepy at all. I wonder what's gonna happen. Let's draw puppet in 4 different styles. Normal, phantom, nightmare and security. Let's start with the normal side and hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, can't believe I forgot it again. Yoink. Overall, the puppet drawing turned out pretty amazing, so I hope you like what I did and how it turned out. Also, I'm currently working on FNAF drawing tutorials for all your favourite characters, so I'm super excited to show you when I have them all finished. And there we have the normal side. Let's move on to the phantom side. And welcome to our newest member that has joined the club. If you would like to join, the link is in the description for sneak peeks, behind the scenes, shoutouts, emotes and member badges to use on the channel. I really enjoyed doing the phantom side of puppet, and I think the different colours and black lines really made this stand out from the rest. And there we have the phantom side. Let's move on to the nightmare side. Oh wait, that's the wrong one, that's the wrong one, that's the wrong one. Oh, that's the right one. And before I forget, I need to wind the music box. I think we're safe now. Let's get back to it. And that's nightmare side. It's time for security. I think this side turned out awesome. I tried to get in as much detail and I think it paid off. And there we have security puppet. Which one is your favourite? Is it normal, phantom, nightmare or security? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh no, the music box!